I feel like I've been eating noodles for a long time and I didn't even make a dent in this thing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a mukbang, and I'm going to be doing a mukbang on these spicy noodles that I have here. So if you guys want to hang out with me and have your dinner, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications and let's get right into the video. Alright, what is going on, you guys? So just to let you guys know what noodles these are, it is gourmet spicy noodles. I know that before there was like the 2 times spicy and like the whatever times spicy. This is not that. This is probably like the pre-spice. I hope it's not too spicy though. I did try the 2 times spicy. I think I tried that on here, didn't I? I really love ramen noodles, so I'm actually excited to eat. I'm not the best chopstick person, but with noodles, it's like pretty easy. So let's take a bite real quick. It's spicy. Kendra. In case you guys don't follow me on my other social media, I have announced, it's nothing that serious, but I have announced that I am on TikTok now. I just uploaded my 2nd TikTok ever today. I'm really working at being like an all-around consistent content creator, okay? I'm really working really hard. I'm actually pretty tired. I'm on TikTok now, so follow me. I'm gonna have it on the screen, but it is KissedByKen 1. I was trying to just get KissedByKen, but somebody stole it. Can you believe that? Somebody stole it. I guess that took way too long to get onto TikTok. These are actually pretty tasty. It's not bad, y'all. I love me some noodles, any kind of noodles. Thai noodles to like ramen to like rice noodles and pho. Like that's, oh, I love me some pho. I should totally do a pho mukbang. If you want to see me do a pho mukbang, comment down below, because then I'm gonna have to get my favorite pho and I'm gonna do a mukbang. I really love pho. If you never had it, oh my god, it's my go-to when I have like a cold or something. If I have like a cold or allergies, or if I'm just feeling under the weather, like when I have a cold, it's like the best soup because I make it super spicy and citrusy. It's so good. Let me know if you guys are enjoying my mukbangs. I always enjoy it because I like to eat, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You know, I'm working and eating while I'm working and working while I'm eating. Whatever. I'm trying to be clever. Truthfully, you guys, I'm actually a little tired. And I didn't think I was gonna get to film today because I'm actually tired. For the past 2 nights, I haven't been sleeping well, so it sucks. I need to like take some CBD like early tonight to knock myself out because I have not been sleeping well for the past 2 nights. And I've been waking up like, not early, but pretty early. Like last night, for example, I didn't get to sleep till about maybe 5. So I fell asleep this morning. I didn't really sleep last night. Like I didn't sleep last night. I woke up at like 9. That's not enough sleep at all. The night before last night, I actually fell asleep around like 2ish, and I woke up maybe around 9, but I kept waking up like at every hour or like multiple times in the hour. So that sucks. I hate being up alone at nighttime. I just hate it because I don't know, I just get like, ever since I was younger at nighttime, I just start thinking a lot. Like I think about everything and I start to get anxious and stressed and a little sad, and it's always right before bed. And when I was younger, my mom used to say that happened to her as well. Kind of just have to like ignore it and stuff, but it was really frustrating, especially when I was younger, because when I was younger I couldn't like really do anything. I just kind of had to try to get to sleep. Now it's a bit better because I'm like, I can just try to watch YouTube videos or Netflix or something until I get to sleep. So that's what I typically do. I like tire myself out by watching stuff. I don't know if I have some sort of insomnia or what is going on. The past 2 nights I didn't have the issue of just like I was just thinking and I felt sad and stuff. I just couldn't sleep. I really just couldn't sleep. But I was pretty frustrated because being alone, like up alone, is kind of like, I don't know, it just feels so sad to me. Like it really feels so sad. And I've always been a night owl, but I really don't like being up alone. But at the same time, I never really like sleeping at nighttime. I'd really rather much sleep during the daytime. And I could get myself on that kind of schedule and just work on that, like work like that. I don't want to do that because then everybody else is gonna be up when I'm sleeping and vice versa. I don't know. I don't know why I just went into depth talking about that. But yeah. These are the thoughts that I have. I overthink everything. Shout out to the overthinkers. I know I barely got into this, but I'm actually starting to get full. I don't know why. Oh, you guys, you have to follow. Well, you don't have to. If you want to, follow me on Snapchat because I've been talking to you guys. If you guys are part of my Snap fam, what's up? But if you're not, you should go follow me on Snapchat so we can talk. I've literally been on Snapchat every day for the past like 3-4 days, I think. And it's awesome. It's cool because I didn't know that your followers, or I think like you subscribe to the channel, like the Snapchat people, I don't know, whatever. You subscribe on Snapchat now and you can comment on like my stories and stuff. And that's so cool. I thought that was cool because before I would have to, like, to be able to talk to you guys, I would have to put my, who can contact me, I would have to put everyone. And then sometimes people would try to call me and like weird stuff like that. So I'll just turn it off. I don't know, after I'm done like, you know, interacting with you guys. But now I don't have to like do that. I don't have to like, just know. If you do follow me on Snapchat, well, if you are going to follow me on Snapchat, you're gonna get a lot of like raw footage. Like I'm not gonna be KissedByKen, I'm gonna be Kendra. Just so you guys know. But yeah, check me out on TikTok, check me out on Snapchat because I'm doing those things now. I've also been posting some good selfies and content on Instagram, but that's regular. Twitter, I'm always on Twitter. That's pretty much it. You see me here on YouTube. Got my seltzer water, you guys. This is the same one I was drinking last time, except for it's a different flavor. This one is Ruby Red Grapefruit. Alright, you guys, I have a question. I always tell you guys to comment down below, and only a couple of you actually comment down below as far as answering what I'm asking in the video. Why is that? For those of you that do answer, should I do all of my Wine Chat Wednesdays? Should I premiere all of them? Or, I feel like you guys are gonna say yes anyway. Or should I like just do it sometimes? One yes, one no, you know, every other one I do the premiere. Is there any other videos that you'd like me to premiere besides the Wine Chat Wednesday? I think the Wine Chat Wednesday one is dope because then in real life, while we're watching it together and I'm drinking wine and you are too, we're drinking, you know, your apple juice or whatever it is. You know, we do the live chat thing. So I think that the wine chat is definitely dope to do the premiere. But is there another video that I should do, that I should premiere? I don't feel like the mukbangs would be fun. Most likely wouldn't be eating the same thing, so it's kind of like Also, what did you guys think of the Reddit and wine chat Wednesday? That one, it has to be one of my favorites so far because I just like scrolling in real time and then discussing it and then discussing it again in the live chat because it was still pretty much relevant at that time. So I really like the Reddit and wine. Do you guys want to see more of those? Either way, I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I see you guys didn't like the Among Us ones as much. I feel like those videos, they did okay, but I don't know if it's because a lot of you guys don't know Among Us or what it is, but I do probably still want to do more videos of playing Among Us because I'm on that game literally every day. It's honestly been one of the reasons why I haven't slept early in a long time, which is not good, but YOLO. I feel like I've been eating noodles for a long time and I didn't even make a dent in this thing. You know what song I've had on repeat actually? Girl Like Me by Jasmine Sullivan and her. First of all, Jasmine Sullivan, come on. She is Jasmine Sullivan. I don't even know what else to say about that. But she is awesome. I loved a lot of her songs. Oh, one just popped in my head. Circles. Is it Circles? Keep going in circles, circles, round and round. And while you're doing me so wrong, I just keep... Oh no, it's called Holding You Down. There it is. I just keep holding you down. I feel so still. I love that song. I love Bust Your Windows. Who doesn't love Bust Your Windows? And there was another one that I used to listen to a lot as well. But anyway, Girl Like Me is crazy because honestly, should I even talk about what it's about? Should I talk about what it's about? All right, it's about. Oh, why am I laughing? Oh, it's about like you being like, basically from her perspective, it's like I'm a good girl and guys are always kind of like playing me or leaving me for like, should I curse? I don't know. A hole on the ground. Oh my gosh, I'm so corny. But you guys get what I mean. So anyway, that's the perspective of the song. And then she's saying how like, you're gonna make me turn into this because like, you know, you're just messing me up, basically. And it's a part that says, you must wanted something different, still don't know what I was missing. What you asked I would have given, it ain't right how these be winning. But anyway, my point is the entire song is like, I've been relating to that type of stuff since I was probably in middle school, if I'm being quite honest. It always felt like, should I go too deep into this? I kind of feel like I'm getting in my feelings. See, why am I always in my feelings? Okay, I'm gonna talk about it. It's just like, it felt like I wasn't really into like, I know I've said this in, I think I said this in one of my videos before, I wasn't really into like dating, and I wasn't really like boy crazy or anything when I was like younger or whatever. And plus, my mom would have probably killed me. But I thought she was gonna kill me if I was ever like acting crazy. But I just wasn't like that anyways. And you know, middle school was when I realized that little kids be doing stuff that they're not supposed to be doing, because I don't know if it's the parenting or what, but they just be doing stuff that they're not supposed to be doing at a very young age. Because I wasn't like that, I always felt like, well, I had like boys like me and stuff in middle school and whatever, but it was still like, you kind of always felt like boys still kind of was gonna ultimately just like other girls because they were doing stuff that I was definitely not doing. And that was a feeling and a sentiment that I felt all the way up to like, still to this day. I'm just not to this day, but like in some ways it is still pretty much the same sentiment, because sometimes it just doesn't, like, I don't want to say it doesn't pay off to be like different, but like sometimes you're just not appreciated because people are just gonna go for like whatever is easiest and wherever they can get what they want to get at that time, kind of thing. You guys understand what I'm saying, right? So yeah, that song has been on repeat for a long time, because it's like, oh my god, I finally found a song. And there was songs like with the same concept written for this that I remember listening to, but this one just like, it vibes different. I really like it. And hers voice is like amazing. I freaking love her voice and everything about her. She's gorgeous. Like, I think I'm getting a little bit obsessed with her actually. I could do a whole nother video on that type of stuff. On that one song, I could do a whole video talking about my feelings and stuff. Trust me, I have. Let me pull out my, no, I'm just kidding. That actually reminds me of when I was talking on my Wine Chat Wednesday. One of the things that I saw on Reddit was how this little boy, he was a teenager actually, he didn't want to be nice to girls anymore because he felt like all girls were whores and stuff. And I was talking about how, you know, society kind of does that, and how nice people finish last and stuff. So it's kind of like the same, it's all in the same realm. If you guys want to Wine Chat Wednesday on that, comment down below, because I'm telling you, I'll probably film it and never upload it because I would get deep in my feelings. You know, I don't think I want to do that. You guys, I think I'm done after this one, honestly. I got a PR package. I got it from L'Oreal, and I just used their new powder foundation. It's under their Infallible line. If you guys want a full review on it, let me know. I did still use their liquid foundation because I just never used it before and I wanted to see what it was like. So I did still use their liquid foundation. They also sent me concealer, so I used all three of those things on my face today. I have a pretty light makeup look today, but if you guys would like to see me fully reviewing it and letting you guys know my thoughts on it, I'll do that. First impressions, I really love the finish of the foundation and the powder and the concealer. My only concern is that, and I was smelling it as I was putting it on my face, is that it smelled very perfumey, and I have sensitive skin and I have eczema, so I was just like, I should have read the ingredients probably before, but I kind of don't. I kind of just test things out. So I probably, you know, I'm being your test dummy right now, so if you're interested, let me know and I'll get a whole video up on that. And hey, I already tried it, so we're gonna see. Hopefully I don't break out, but if I do or if I don't, I'll let you guys know in that video. Or I'll probably be like, you guys, I'm not doing a review because I broke out or whatever. All right, I'm gonna take one more good bite and then I'm done with these noodles. Honestly, I'm done. I'm so done. Keisha Cole versus Ashanti. Who do y'all got? I don't know who I got. I used to listen to both of them like religiously. I love both of them. It's gonna be a whole vibe. I've been holding off ever since they mentioned that they was gonna have a versus. I wanted to listen to both of their like music, and I haven't. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna wait for the verses because it's gonna hit different. They kept postponing this damn thing, so now I just can't wait for it because I still have not listened to any of their songs. And talk about being in your feelings, oh my god. Gotta make sure you have a whole bottle of wine for that one, or a box. You guys, I am done. As always, let me know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see on my channel. As far as mukbangs, what you like to see me eat, and as far as Wine Chat Wednesdays and all that stuff, let me know what you want to see on my channel, because I'm always taking suggestions, especially now as I'm uploading every single day. I need the suggestions because sometimes I get into like this creativity block and I don't know what to film. But thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me. If you were eating anything during this video, let me know in the comments down below what were you eating, and if you enjoyed this mukbang, anything I said in the video, just let me know your thoughts on whatever I said in the video, because I was kind of all over the place. But thank you guys for hanging out with me. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!